Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is Tahira Binte Rashid, lecturer, Department of Biology, Milestone College, Uttara, Dhaka. Welcome to today's video class. Our video class is on Chapter 3, Cell Division. Our today's topics are significance of mitosis, tumor and cancer, and meiosis. From these topics, students should be able to describe the role of mitosis cell division in living bodies, can explain meiosis, and also can explain the role of meiosis cell division in the development of reproductive cells. Can anyone tell me the definition of mitosis cell division? Yes, from previous lecture we know that mitosis is a cell division where a mother cell is divided and produced two identical daughter cells. Here the chromosome and nucleus of a mother cell are divided only once and produced two daughter cells with same type of chromosomes in number. So the physical and structural characteristics of daughter cells are as their mother cell. As the nucleus and chromosome of a mother cell are divided only once, that's why this type of division is known as equational cell division. Now, significance of mitosis in living bodies. The significance of mitosis in living body of organisms is immense. The balance between the nucleus and cytoplasm of a cell in terms of volume and amount is maintained by mitosis. Through mitosis, the growth in the body of multicellular organisms occurs. Mitosis plays a role in the maintenance of the size, shape, and volume of cells. Unicellular organisms reproduce through mitosis. Mitosis plays an important role in the vegetative reproduction of organisms and increasing the number of reproductive cells. Mitosis is essential to form new cells for growth and healing of injuries. The lifespan of some cells is predetermined and they are accordingly replaced through the process of mitosis. As identical cells are produced through mitosis, qualitative features of the living world remain unchanged. Now, tumor and cancer. Mitotic error may result in abnormal mass of cells called tumors, with or without cancer cells. The formation of cancer cells is the result of uncontrolled irregular cell division. Various types of germs, chemicals, and radioactivity can be responsible for the development of cancer cells. Two genes, E6 and E7 of the papillomavirus, produce a chemical substance that displaces two protein molecules which control cell division. As a result, the controlling factor of cell division is eliminated and a tumor is formed. Sometimes these two genes amalgamate with those of host cell and stop the functions of protein molecules, which leads to cancer cells. Cancer can develop in the liver, lungs, brain, breast, skin, or uterus, almost all organs of the body. Now, meiosis. Do you know what is meiosis cell division? Yes, students. Meiosis is a cell division where an eukaryotic cell divides and produced 4 daughter cells. Here, chromosome divides once and nucleus divides twice. So the number of the chromosomes become half in the daughter cell than that of mother cells. As the chromosome number become half in the daughter cell than that of the mother cells, that's why meiosis cell division is also known as the reductional cell division. Now, role of meiosis. In the sexual reproduction, the union of male and female gametes is required. If the number of chromosomes in the reproductive cells would be the same as the somatic cell, the zygote would contain twice number of chromosomes than that of the somatic cell. Suppose the number of chromosomes in a somatic reproductive cell of an organism is 4. In the zygote, the number of chromosomes would be 8. So, the new generations will have body cells with 8 chromosomes. That is twice that of its mother organism. If every life cycle of an organism continues that way, the number of chromosomes would be double again and again. If the number of chromosomes is increased life cycle after life cycle, the offspring will be fundamentally different. In sexual reproduction, even through the union of male and female gametes, the number of chromosomes remains the same generation after generation, as the number of chromosomes becomes half in the reproductive cells than that of the mother cell. Now, genetic variation or diversity. Genetic variation among the members of a species is what ensures that the species is able to survive in a changing environment. Ecosystems are not static, and species need genetic variation on which natural selection can operate so that they can adjust with a new or changed environment. If all of the individuals of a species are too genetically similar and have no genetic variation, then there is less possibility of surviving in a new situation. A single disease or change in the environment could drive the species to extinction. But if genetic variation exists in any species, there is the possibility of survival in a new environment. At least some members of the species will be able to escape danger that may befall on them. Thus, meiosis increases the possibility of survival by creating genetic diversity. Now, relative creative questions from these topics. In the STEM, we see two types of figure A and figure B. Now questions are: what is diploid? B. Why meiosis is called the reductional cell division? C. Explain the importance of the process of figure A mentioned in the STEM. D. The process in figure B mentioned in the STEM keep the chromosome number same generation after generation. Thank you all.